This is a review for All American Chimney Service in Louisville, Kentucky. On the left, we're looking at the dented pipe that was put on above my roof. And on the right, we're looking at the dented pipe that was put on just underneath the roof. Dented pipes are not merely a cosmetic issue, they are also a safety hazard. These are double wall pipes. They have insulation between the walls, and the dents can compress the insulation, which can lead to hot spots, which can lead to chimney fires. These pipes were installed by a certified technician named Josh. The day I got the estimate from Andrew, I asked if they followed the codes, and he said they did. The day I signed the contract, I asked Levi if they followed the codes, and he said he did. Now, Doug and I, Doug Hetsch, H-E-T-S-C-H, is the owner, and we're having a dispute over the size of the stove that he put in my tiny little bedroom. And during a phone conversation, he said to me that the installation manual always supersedes code. So, let's take a look at what the Ventis installation manual has to say about these dented pipes. Under approved installations, it says, do not use damaged or modified parts. So Josh, the certified installer, did not follow the manufacturer's instructions. Now, let's look at the new pipe that they put on. It looks really nice. I'm going to point out just a couple minor things. They're not a big deal to me, but I just want to get it on record here. There's a dent right there. Not enough to make a difference, I don't think. It's not an issue to me. There are scratches on the boot right down here. Again, I'm not going to make an issue of that. And there are some scratches right up here. Once again, I won't make an issue of that. But what I am going to make an issue of is the fact that this pipe that they put on is 1.5 feet taller than the first pipe. I did not ask for a pipe 1.5 feet taller. I don't know why they did it. This was installed a week after the original pipe by Levi, the business manager, who is also certified. I asked him that day, don't you think that tall pipe needs a brace? He insisted it did not. So let's take a look down here. I've got this tape measure taped. Let's look at 63 inches. That's 5 feet 3 inches. And I'm going to pull the tape measure tight. I've got it taped to a spoon here. I'm going to try to get back and show you that that is straight. I'm going to get up here and show you that the pipe is just a little bit above the cap. So I'm not cheating with the width of the spoon there. Let's see what the installation manual has to say about the 63 inches. Under extended optional roof brace, it says if the chimney height extends more than 5 feet above the roof line, an extended roof brace must be installed. So for the second time, the manufacturer's installation instructions were not followed. I have heard this pipe rattling around when we had really high winds about a month ago. So I can tell you it does need a brace. Now, there's another issue with this pipe. It gets worse, yes. What you can't see is that this pipe is sinking. And why is the pipe sinking? It's sinking because the original certified installer, Josh, did not build a wooden support frame for the square ceiling support box. And there are 4 screws holding all this piping up instead of the 12 required. And I will cover that in the next video. But before I go, I would like to show you the shape my roof is in. I have been patching this roof for years. I've patched it over here, especially just the last couple months. Right over here, several times. had trouble finding that leak. So, why do I show you this? Because I signed a contract for a new metal roof 5 months ago. And I haven't been able to move forward on that because Doug doesn't want to take all this out of here. And I'm going to talk about this issue when I discuss the contract in a future video. So, it's going to get interesting. Come on back for more.